Hi, you are now watching the OTOP series on every Monday morning. And pay attention, there is no other media group like Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp or WeChat that we share this market opinion. This valuable market opinion is only shared on every Monday morning in OTOP, only right here in YouTube. And this market opinion is going to help you do a wonderful stock pick after you do your homework. Stay tuned and I shall be right back. Well, hi everyone out there, and thank you for watching again our OTOP series, which is one target, one purpose, and this is the episode 103. In the Cantonese, we call that the Yat Ting Sang, okay, Yat Ting Sang, and 103, and this for the week, well, 25th July, year 2022. All right, for those who have captured the Netflix last week, congratulations, and well, you have been capturing a profit anywhere from $190 per share up to $220 as a Friday close, and congrats again. Well, before we go on into this OTOP 103, well, like us, don't forget to do that. Like us, always like us. Before you share this with all your other friends, and of course, don't forget to come back on every Monday morning 9 a.m. Singapore time, Hong Kong time, or Beijing time and watch us. And this week on this OTOP 103, all right, we're going to share with you another potential stock counter in US market that you could be bagging some profits. And always remember that, just a reminder, all right, this is the only one and only channel in YouTube that we share our OTOP series, and we do not have any other market tips, or we do not have any market opinions, whether it is in Telegram or any other chat group which is not being hosted by us. All right, so do not take it or follow any Telegram, and that is probably a scam. Only come back to us on every Monday morning 9 a.m. in YouTube under the OTOP, with the host name DW Channel 2020. Well, today on this OTOP 103, 25th July year 2022, right, let's take a look and a quick feedback on last week. All right, last week, generally, as we have predicted correctly, all the Nasdaq component stocks have been recovering, and that's because on the average large scale, we have got a lot of Nasdaq company having good and strong earnings report so far. All right, so the majority of the FANG stocks have been moving up. Okay, and last week also, on Friday we have seen the US market closing. All right, on the whole week market is still up, although Friday there was a closing of negative 137 points in Dow Jones. All right, and S&P lost 37 points. Nasdaq lost 225 points. But as I mentioned, on the overall, things are still moving up. And one more thing, this week, stay tuned and be very observant on Asia hours, Wednesday and Thursday morning. We're going to have the US Federal Reserve FOMC meeting. All right, and we are talking about a rate hike potentially, but is now whether we are talking about 50 basis point, okay, which is 0.5% rate hike, or another 0.75. But personally, we feel that if the rate hike is 50 basis point or lower, it may not affect any sentiment at all in the US stock market on coming down, and in fact it may still continue to go up. All right, but if the rate hike is another 75 basis point or higher, then you may want to be very cautious because market may take another dip. All right, that's for this week. So keep in touch with us on every Monday, not forgetting. All right, and gold prices recovered above $1,700 per ounce again. Friday closing was 1725. Okay, and the WTI crude prices closed below $100 per barrel on Friday. The last price traded was $95.09. Right, this week, let's take a look first at the Netflix that we covered last week. All right, well, if you are still holding to this counter, well, I think it's good that you may want to close half of your position into profits and holding the other half, because there is a probability of a market moving up to $240 before it comes down again and moving into sideways. All right, although it's pretty high now, but of course, if you want to take all the profit by by exit. Okay, taking exit, I think, well, no harm. So at least you have got a good profit run up in the Netflix. All right, this week, what are we going to cover? Let me take a look very quickly at this earnings calendar, which I will give you some evidence. All right, look at this NASDAQ official portal on this coming Friday, 29 July. All right, we are looking at especially, well, ZOM, the trading symbol, all right, the stock symbol, which is the ExxonMobil Corporation's, and last year earning per share is $1.10, and this coming earnings report for Q2 seasons in year 2022, we are looking much higher. Okay, according to 9 estimates, we are looking at the consensus earning per share at $3.53, which is more than 3 times of last year on the same Q2 seasons. All right, so of course then we're going to look at XOM definitely, because this is a potential uprise market which will come on this Friday. All right, this Friday, and let's take a look at ExxonMobil. Stay tuned, be very patient with us, and it is coming up. ExxonMobil E. Right, there it goes, and we found it. All right, this is the ExxonMobil chart. Okay, and well, let's take a look and start off with the day chart. All right, day chart, as you see, okay, the dividend has been paid out very regularly on almost every quarter basis. February, and this is May. All right, so probably we are expecting another dividend to be paid out soon, sometime in August perhaps. All right, so well, one look at this, well, we would think it's very potential because the momentum is here very low. If you look at this, it's almost at the neutral zero line. That could be moving up anytime. Okay, this is a day chart, and of course, if you look at month chart, it has been coming down on the last 2 months, May and last month June. Okay, and this is the July. Okay, well, the 4 hours chart also show a very potentially convergence of the triple EMAs, which is the EMA 4 days, 20 days, and 200. Okay, sorry, it's a EMA 4 hours, 20 hours, and 200 hours. All right, so and the momentum is also pretty low here. So how are we going to play this XOM? Stay tuned, and we would think it is very good if we are able to be patient and wait until Wednesday session. All right, at least Wednesday, not Monday and Tuesday definitely. All right, so Monday and Tuesday we could be seeing a small correction of these counter prices. It could be even going back down to $85 per share, all right, on Monday, Tuesday, or even Wednesday on the first half session. But at the closing of Wednesday or Thursday, I would think once the FOMC is finalized, it could be a very good attempt to go into this ExxonMobil counter, okay, ExxonMobil Corp, that once the earnings report is going to be released on Friday, all right, over the Nasdaq session, there is a potential uprising. So it's going to capture at the bottom at $85 if you could, and the top side could be anywhere, well, above 90. That's a quick profit. Let's take a look. Well, okay, this is going to be announced on the earnings, well, before or during the market session, but definitely not after the market session on Friday. So we're going to see this potentially going up from Thursday or Friday. All right, and that's for the OTOP 103. Yep, Teng Sang, remember this. All right, and this for the week 25th July year 2022. Stay tuned with DW World Equity Time. All right, like us and share up. Don't forget about this. All right, and that's for this week. Stay tuned, and we hope you could come back and share this more with your friends, and take more good market opinions or tips from us, and continue to make well, more profit for yourself. Stay tuned, and we shall see you again. Bye bye.